Hey there, welcome. In this video, you will know how to view daily statistics about your outbound calls in My CommPeak. From the Daily Calls report, you will learn the daily number of total and billable outbound calls, the total and average call duration, the total cost of your calls, and the data summary for the selected time frame. The Daily Calls report is available under the VoIP Services menu. Apply any needed filters. You can narrow your search results by selecting a SIP account, a country, and a preset or custom time range. Then click Search. At the top, you will see the totals for the time frame you have selected, such as the total number of calls, the number of calls you pay for, the answer seizure rate, or the percentage of answered calls, the total duration of calls, the average call duration, and the total cost of the calls. In the table below, the results are broken down by date. The output can be downloaded as a CSV file. Just click the button on the right and save it to your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching.